management. It honestly still doesn't look very good. I think I'm gonna need some zip ties, push this thing back so that you can't really see it that much. Maybe even somehow get this thing to come over here more with some zip ties. Yeah, this is all looking super ugly in here. Like, look how bad this is, guys. And this thing is too long, but I mean, it's doing the job, so I'm not really that worried about it, to be honest with you. So I also forgot I need gas, but I guess that's fine. Some good news, I ordered vinyl wrap for the roof and a little bit extra. So actually I bought a 5x10 piece. I think the car only needs a 5x5 piece for the roof. I'm gonna try it out, and the only reason I'm doing the roof first by itself with just black vinyl is to see if I can actually get it down. Like, if I can get vinyl wrapping down, then I'm gonna do the whole car by myself. Check this thing out, bro. It's crazy. My girlfriend's dad had one of these, I think. Yeah, this is like. And then shipping, it's so that's with shipping. Oh, they come in a box that's like vacuum sealed. And dude, I found out the hard way. It's hella small. I have a stick right now. Like the color on it, man. 7. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I really like this color. Got some more people on there. Man, look at the emblem. The light on the emblem. I kind of want that, bro. Look at that thing. That thing, I feel like you take off-roading anywhere. Oh, dude, yeah. That looks hecka fun. Bumperless C63. I haven't seen her car out in a while. I guess she blew it up after she supercharged it. Another Beamer. I don't know who this is, though. Got some HREs, rich girl shit, bro. That's crazy. I thought it was you. I didn't want to walk up somebody's random car, you know what I mean? I mean, you should have noticed. I know. I don't think I've ever seen another blue one. I was supposed to meet up with, what's up? This is Emmy. Oh, hi, Emmy. I was supposed to meet up with, a boyfriend and all that, but I went to the wrong gas station. Oh my god, I was wondering who the fuck it was. What's up, bro? How you doing? Good, Mr. Famous. Damn, not me, bro, it's you. Nice, yo. It's hella funny. Oh, I like that blue. Ooh, clean 300. That's so funny. Nigel's car is red. Oh my god, wait, hold on, go back. Oh wait, you can come now. What's up, baby? I haven't seen you in forever. Oh yeah? Yeah. Damn, bro, he's standing on Jello. Look at that, red calipers and big brakes. Oh, those are definitely bigger than his. Yeah, but they're bigger than Jello's. Yeah, bro, someone stole my headlight. It's crazy. Oh, and they cut your hood. And they cut my hood, dude. I took out the grills inside. It looks a lot better in my opinion. Oh yeah. Cause you see the brake ducts and stuff? Yeah. Damn, and they put something in there, bro. That's crazy. Dude, look, you can put something in my windshield washer fluid too. What the fuck? I met a guy actually in this vlog. They saw it, but like in the yellow Supra. Yeah. But it had a wing and everything, and it was actually single turbo, like a big single. And I was like, dang, that's crazy. Where you parking? Park right there, bro. Right into the NSX. Huh? I didn't even see that. Damn, bro. I see this car all the time in Folsom, bro. He's always driving around where I work. I think there's this one and like either a blue one or something like that, and it's like supercharged. This one's cool too. Oh, is this an N55 slow guy? Is that this? Yeah, this guy had hella lot pop. He has the same tune as you, I think, bro. Or when you had your tune on. It's like gunshots. I still had it. That's pretty crazy. Okay. Damn, bro, I'm gonna have so much like editing to do. Really? Go back. I mean, I guess you're not wrong. They're probably gonna come over here. Huh? I am almost out of battery already. How are you? Hey, I bought it. What? G35. You bought it? Why? Because that's my tuner told me. Wait, what? Wait, minorities wait, bro.
I didn't buy anything.
Like a precision?
No.
What are you talking about?
No.
I won't record. I won't record.
He's like in everyone's faces that thing. Like,
Hey, he got a turbo precision? So maybe.
No, it's a G35.
Oh, okay.
G35.
Yeah, I'm not recording. Don't worry about it, bro. It's fine.
yeah, he's nice.
Hey, Angelo, bro. All you need to do is be black, bro. What? I'm being serious.
I mean, it's D'Angelo right now.
Oh, not now, bro. That was not D'Angelo move, bro.
Bro, I went from Angelo to a D'Angelo, bro.
He's coming back, bro. He's like.
I was so fucking dark, bro. I look like this motherfucker. I was like, I can say like a light skin.
What you mean?
It's a good thing. It's a good thing. I trust it.
You said, what do you mean by that?
You go. Here we go.
Let me get the angle, bro.
Hey, bitch.
I'm trying to get the angle.
Dang, I really tightened the fuck out of that shit, bro.
Oh my God! Someone end the video.
All right, that's all. Good night.
Oh,
Catch
in
you
the
next
video.
time.